Are you struggling to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online? Maybe you made a typo, or you just want to keep your records in sequence. In today's full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to edit your invoice numbers easily and avoid common mistakes that many QuickBooks users make. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a pro tip to keep your invoicing more organized. QuickBooks Online automatically assigns invoice numbers in sequence. However, you might need to change one for correction or customization. Here's how to do it. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the left menu. Click on Sales and then select Invoices. This will open your list of invoices. Find the invoice you want to update and click on it. Once it's open, select the Edit button at the bottom or top right corner, depending on your version. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the invoice number field at the top of your invoice form. Simply delete the existing number and type in your desired invoice number. It could be a corrected sequence, a custom code, or even a project-based reference. Just make sure it follows your internal numbering system. After updating the number, click Save and Close or Save and Send if you're ready to email it to your client. Now, a quick but important note. QuickBooks will remember the latest invoice number you used and continue the sequence from there. So, if you change an invoice number to something far ahead or out of sequence, all your future invoices will follow that new pattern. That's why I recommend keeping a consistent numbering format to avoid confusion later. And what if you want to control invoice numbers for all future invoices? Go to the gear icon, greater than Account and Settings, greater than Sales tab, greater than Sales Form Content, and make sure the Custom Transaction Numbers option is turned on. This setting allows you to manually enter invoice numbers whenever needed, rather than letting QuickBooks auto-generate them. And that's it. Changing an invoice number in QuickBooks Online is that simple, but keeping them organized is what truly makes your bookkeeping smooth and error-free. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 2025 QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if there's another feature you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.